problem. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Here also let p is equal to 1 by x, p equal to 1 by x, q equal to 1 by y. And now the equation becomes, first equation becomes 2p plus 3q equal to 13, and the second equation becomes 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now here also the coefficients of p and q are not same. So we will equating one of the coefficients of p and q. I will multiply this equation with 5 and this equation with 2. Then we will get both the coefficients of p are equal. Now the first equation becomes 10p plus 15q equal to 65, and the second equation becomes 10p minus 8q is equal to minus 4. Now subtracting these two equations, we will get minus plus and here plus. So these two gets cancelled. 15 plus 8, 23q equal to 65 plus 4, 69. So q equal to 69 by 23. So that is equal to 3. Substitute the value of q. In the first equation. We will get 2p plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13. That implies 2p plus 9 equal to 13. That implies 2p equal to 13 minus 9, 4. That implies p equal to 2. But p is equal to 1 by x. That is equal to 2. That implies x equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by y. What is the value of q? 3. That implies y is equal to 1 by 3. So what is the point of x comma y? 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Problem. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. Let 1 by x plus y is equal to p and 1 by x minus y is equal to q. Now this equation will becomes 10p plus 2q equal to 4, and this equation will becomes 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2. Now here also p and q, coefficients of p, q are not equal in the two equations. Then I will multiply this equation with 5 and this equation with 2. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now the first equation becomes 50p plus 10q equal to 20, and the second equation becomes 30p minus 10q equal to minus 4. Now we will add these two, 1 plus 2. Then we will get these two gets cancelled, and 90p equal to 16. So p equal to 16 by 90. 16 by 90. Then p equal to 1 by 5. P equal to, here 80. 80. P equal to 1 by 5. Substitute the value of p in the first equation. Then we will get 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2q equal to 4. Here 4, 5 2s are 10. So that implies 2q is equal to 2. That means q equal to 1. But what is the p? 1 by x plus y is equal to p. That is equal to 1 by 5. That means x plus y is equal to 5. And again 1 by x minus y is equal to q. That equal to 1. That means x minus y is equal to 1. Now this is the third equation and this is the fourth equation. Now we will solve third and fourth equation. So x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. We will add both these. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So now substitute the value of x in the third equation. We will get 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 2. So what is the point x comma y? X equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So 3 comma 2. Next problem. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Now let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to p and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. Then this equation will becomes p plus q is equal to 3 by 4. P plus q is equal to 3 by 4. Now I will write this equation as 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. So this is the first equation. And the second equation will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y is equal to p. Then we will get p by 2. P by 2 minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Then I will take LCM of these two. So LCM is 2. That means p minus q by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. So that means p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. I will write 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. This is the second equation. Now we will add 1 and 2. Then we will get 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. So these two gets cancelled. 8p is equal to 2. That implies p is equal to 2 by 8. That is equal to 1 by 4. P equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute p in the first equation. In the first equation we will get 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q is equal to 3. That implies 4q is equal to 1 plus 4q is equal to 2. That implies q is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2. But what is p? But p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y. P is equal to 1 by 4. That implies 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is the third equation. And 1 by q. What is q? 1 by 3y minus 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. That means 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is the fourth equation. Now 3 plus 4 we will get 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Then these two gets cancelled. Then 6x is equal to 6. X is equal to 1. Substitute x in the third equation. We will get 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1. So what is the value of x and y? So x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. So next problem. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Now, let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour and speed of the boat is y kilometers per hour. So speed of the boat is x kilometers and the speed of the stream is y kilometers. Now they gave 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. If the boat speeds upstream, then it will go x minus y kilometers per hour, and speed of the boat at downstream, it will go x plus y kilometers per hour. Now what they gave, a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream, that means 30 by x minus y, and 44 kilometers downstream plus 40 by x plus y in 10 hours. That means that is equal to 10. So, and the second one, in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometers upstream. That means 40 by x minus y and 55 kilometers downstream. That means 55 by x plus y is equal to 13 hours. So now let 1 by x minus y is equal to p and 1 by x plus y is equal to q. So this equation becomes 30p plus 40q equal to 10. So this is the first equation, and this equation becomes 40p plus 55q equal to 13. So this is the second equation. Now we will solve these two equations. We will get the values of p and q. So from the first equation, 40q is equal to 10 minus 30p. That implies q equal to 10 minus 30p, 3p by 30p by 40. So substitute the value of q in the second equation. Substitute q in equation 2. We will get 40p plus 55 into 10 minus 30p by 40 equal to 13. Next, 40p plus 55 into 10, 550 minus 55 into 30, 1650 p by 40 equal to 13. And take the LCM and transport to that side to 40. Then we will get 1600 p. So here Sorry, here the 44, not 40 kilometers, this is 44. So 44. Now 44 Q is equal to, and here also 44. So 40P, 40 into 44, 1760P, 1760P plus 550 minus 1650P is equal to 44 into 13. 44 into 13, 572. 572. Now 1760 minus 1650. 110. 110P equal to 572 minus 550. So 110P is equal to 572 minus 550, 22. So P equal to 22 by 110. That equal to 2. 11 2s are 11 10s are. So 1 5. 1 by 5. So P equal to 1 by 5. Substitute P. Substitute P in the first equation. In first equation, we will get 30 into 1 by 5 plus 44Q is equal to 10. 5 6 are. So 44Q is equal to 4. Q equal to 4 by 44. So that means 1 by 11. So but P is equal to 1 by 5, Q is equal to 1 by 11. But P is equal to, what is P? 1 by x minus y. So 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. That means x minus y is equal to 5. And what is Q? 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. That means x plus y is equal to 11. Now we will solve these two equations. This is 3 and this is 4. So x minus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 8. Substitute x in the first equation. Substitute x in equation 3. In 3. We will get 8 minus y is equal to 5. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 3. So the speed of the boat is 8 km per hour and the stream of the boat is 3 km per hour. So speed of the boat is 8 kilometers per hour and the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour.